Chargers, now that you think, their receivers are good, tight end good. Bears or the Chargers, better fit?
Probably the Bears, but the Bears are seemingly committed to Trubisky.
Out of stubbornness, probably.
Because they moved up. They justify moving up. I think you're right. It is out of stubbornness. It is. Yeah, we're committed to this guy. We told you we're committed to him. We're going to stay committed to him, even though he's not the guy.
Can you see Gruden having any interest at all? I mean, I think Derek Carr has more talent, more arm talent.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Yeah, I don't think so either.
Colts maybe.
Yeah, but the Colts, I can see Rivers going to the Colts.
Yeah,
actually good.
Yeah, and I was thinking in a vacuum, like outside of like competition for these jobs.
Yeah,
you know what I mean. So,
I hear you. I'm looking at all these teams. I don't think we're missing anybody. Now listen, if Jameis ever left, there's an opening for Tampa. You can squeeze him in pretty seamlessly. Is Teddy Bridgewater better than Brissett? Yes, but for the money Brissett's making versus the money that's reported Teddy could command, you really want to pay Teddy 30? Or Brissett? What is about 17? Whatever he's making, and then fill out the rest of the roster?
I would.
That's probably the more prudent play. You know, Denver's got a lot of bad deals. So this is going to be really, maybe it is the Chargers. Maybe it is the Chargers. The point is, I don't think there's enough teams that drive his number to 30. Well, look at these 3-3. What if it's fair? What if there's an opening with the Pats? Is secretly Belichick kind of a guy? Cerebral, steady, easy leader, protects the football. But here's the question you have to ask yourself with the Pats, and it's an important one because it's played Tom Brady last year. Well, not just the money. Well, they paid Teddy 30 when they wouldn't pay Brady 30. Are there enough offensive weapons for him to really excel? No. I think you're right. Absolutely not. It doesn't make roster construction-wise. Yeah, you go to New England. All right, pretty interesting stuff. We got next update coming up. Kyrie Irving, you know, it's funny. Kyrie seems to have two different reputations. One reputation outside of the NBA, and then one reputation inside of the NBA. Some very different ones. We'll get to that coming up at Inbound, Out of Bounds. X update is right now. Here's Rich.
Threes played at a high level. The age of 40. The calendar has flipped another year, but he's not ready to call it a career just yet. Announcing he'll be back for 2020, his 20th season in the league, and 15th in New Orleans. Baylor is enjoying its finest season ever. The top-ranked Bears host Oklahoma for a matchup with Kansas coming up this weekend. The Bears are ranked #1 in the nation for the 4th straight week and are going for a Big 12 record 23rd consecutive win tonight. The Big East has 5 ranked teams for the 2nd straight week. 2 will meet tonight in Milwaukee, where 19th ranked Marquette welcomes number 15 Creighton. The Golden Eagles are coming off a 1-point loss to Villanova. Marcus Howard told the Jim Rome Show they're tough enough to withstand the minor setback.
I think the growth has come, from a lot of ups and downs, but when we face, tough times, we never hang our heads. We kind of come together and grow closer as a team, and I think that's what makes teams especially down the stretch of March.
Howard is the nation's leading scorer at over 27 points a game. 5th ranked Dayton will meet VCU. The Flyers have won their last 14. Defenseman Jake Bowmeister has returned to St. Louis after suffering a cardiac episode last week in Anaheim. In a statement, the 36-year-old said he was touched by the concern. Hunter Jacker.
You're listening to CBS Sports Radio. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. All live, all the time.
The only way you can get CBS Sports Radio 1140 is with the radio.com app. Download it today. Listen to us anytime, anywhere.
Welcome to AutoZone. What are you working on today? If there's a better fuel economy, no problem. We have the products you need, like our fuel treatment. That'll max out your gas mileage and your engine performance, which means more money in your pocket and less engine trouble down the road. And next time, you can get what you need even faster. Just order online at AutoZone.com with our free same-day store pickup. Getting your job done just got easier. Restrictions apply.
Hey, this is Jay Carter, CEO of Quicken Loans. Quicken Loans is celebrating our best quarter ever, and now we're celebrating some of the lowest refinancing rates ever. Rates have dropped so much that many Americans can reduce their rate. You may be able to save money on your monthly mortgage payment. Right now, the rate today on our 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is 3.99%. APR 4.23%. Call us at 800-QUICKEN or go to rocketmortgage.com to learn more. Rates